Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing a product that's been making waves in the grooming world, the BaBylissPRO FXONE Professional Cordless Outlining Trimmers for Men. Now, this is a tool that combines precision with convenience. So let's see if it's as powerful as it claims. If you've been searching for the perfect trimmer that gives you clean, sharp lines and easy maneuverability, this might just be the answer. It's designed for men, so you know this is meant to tackle some serious grooming. As a woman with a background in beauty science, I don't typically review men's grooming tools. However, my husband helped me out with this one to give you an accurate take on its performance. The BaBylissPRO FXONE trimmers are a sleek, black, cordless option designed to make outlining and detailing haircuts a breeze. These trimmers feature a detachable battery system, so if you're working on a big grooming session, swapping out the battery is simple and quick. This product is built for efficiency and ease of use, with a focus on providing professional results at home. The trimmers come with a unique combination of features, including a high-torque motor, which is crucial for smooth operation even on thick hair. The sharp T-blade is designed for precision, and its lightweight feel makes it easy to use for extended periods without strain. Whether you're looking for clean lines for your beard, hairline, or sideburns, this tool aims to deliver. Now let's talk about real-world testing. My husband has used these trimmers for several weeks now, mainly for beard outlining and touch-ups. The first thing he mentioned was how light and ergonomic the design felt. He was able to use it for long grooming sessions without his hand cramping up, which is a common issue with heavier, bulky trimmers. The battery life is impressive, and swapping out the detachable battery is an added bonus for longer use. However, it's not all perfect. The motor does a great job at cutting, but the blade can sometimes feel a little too aggressive on sensitive skin. If you're new to outlining trimmers or have more delicate skin, you might experience some irritation after prolonged use. While the design is sleek and modern, I do wish the trimmers were a bit quieter. It's not excessively loud, but it's noticeable during use. The pros? The performance is top-notch, and the detachable battery system really adds to the convenience factor. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle, and it delivers precise, clean lines. On the downside, it can be a bit harsh on sensitive skin, and the motor noise could be toned down a bit. These are minor issues for someone looking for a professional-grade trimmer that will give them lasting results. When it comes to value for money, the BaBylissPRO FXONE trimmers are priced on the higher end. But considering the durability, performance, and professional-grade features, I do think it's worth the investment for those who want a quality tool that delivers precise results consistently. The detachable battery system alone adds a level of flexibility that makes it more useful than many other trimmers in its price range. Comparing it to similar trimmers, I'd say that the BaBylissPRO FXONE stands out for its motor strength and the added benefit of the interchangeable battery. Many other trimmers in this category don't offer this feature, which makes it unique. However, if you're looking for something a little gentler on the skin, you might want to explore alternatives like the Philips Norelco Multigroom, which is known for its skin-friendly blades. As for build quality, the trimmer feels durable and it looks like it'll hold up well over time. The materials are solid and the sleek design is definitely an aesthetic plus. The battery life is great and the detachable battery helps prolong the life of the trimmer, as you can always swap it out if needed. While I didn't have any direct experience with customer service, BaBylissPRO generally has a solid reputation for addressing customer concerns promptly. I've found that they're good at standing behind their products, so I wouldn't expect any issues in that department. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are more affordable options out there, such as the Andis T Outliner, which has a similar design and performance. However, if you're willing to spend a little more for the added flexibility of a detachable battery and a professional-grade motor, the BaBylissPRO FXONE is worth considering. So, would I recommend the BaBylissPRO FXONE Professional Cordless Outlining Trimmers? If you're serious about your grooming routine and want a precise, professional tool that delivers excellent performance, this is a great choice. The battery system and motor strength make it stand out, but the potential skin irritation and noise level might be a factor to consider for those with sensitive skin. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried these trimmers, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.